What up, everybody? In this video, I'm just going to be going over the level 3, the beginning of it, and some updates that I've done to the code. Um, so let's just jump into it and show off the gameplay. And now, one first change is right off the bat is I go over the turtle instead of the frog instead of me going under it, which is a better effect for me. Um, but then we can go ahead and grab the key just to kind of show off what we've done so far. There's our moving trucks. So here's our level 2. Now, here's another change that I kind of did to level 2 was it says collect the 6 stars to get the key. Now there's that box. Um, this is where the key will spawn. So you know where to come back to, so you can get all the stars, um, really fast. Oh man! Then it spawns you down here. That way it doesn't like instant like game over you by like all three of them hitting you all at the same time and like losing a bunch of lives. So you just got to get to this last star. Um, oh well, we didn't make it back, but it doesn't matter. See, now there's our key as soon as we collect all the stars. So now let's get to level 3 and show you the level 3. I mean, it's pretty much the same as it was before. Um, so nothing really different. Just now there's 2 rooms to it, and I'll kind of show you where I want to put the key and everything for the next level. So see now we have everything working. Our crabs aren't freaking out and like leaving the screen every time they get there, like it did in the other game. I really don't know why that bug happened. It knows where to spawn me instead of the other area. My thing. I can ride my lily pads again. I can just press down on my crab and he comes flying across the screen to open up our vine so we can continue on. Um, Same with him. We push him down, and then there we go. And as soon as we get down here, I'm going to put another wall or rock right here. Um, that way you have to come around, and then maybe I'll have it like a room right here that you got to get through some fish or something. And then in the middle, I want like the fish to be coming from like this way, and then like this way. Um, so you can like ride along and then come around and have the key door right here and then the teleporter in the middle to beat this level. So that's probably what I'm going to do. We could probably do that really fast because we have all of our stuff in this video, but let's go ahead and go over some of the other code really fast. I cleaned it up. Um, so this is all the same. I just kind of put type hinting on there just to make it a little bit more readable. Like our get image, gets a service or the picture for us, and then we need a list of the Pygame services. It returns the service and everything like that. Just making it a little bit easier to know what to put in there. Um, Same with this, and then I put all my dictionaries at the bottom instead of under the levels, so I don't have to keep scrolling up and down to find them. These are all my dictionaries right here. So that was kind of an improvement that I have made. And then on level 3, I made for a new lily pad class. So load the lily pad, move the lily pad up or down, and then move the turtle, and then put it on the screen. Uh, and then I also had to put under our monster class, I had to put one more variable for our hit player. Here we go, parent class. For our hit player, I had to put the level dictionary in there as well um, to know when for my died, so it knows where to load at me when I'm on what certain level because I don't always want it at the bottom of the screen. Um, So that has just made it a lot easier for me to control where my player spawns after he dies. So that was pretty much another big change that I made. And then I threw it all together in our level 3 class. I also made new bad guys, which was the fish. Um, so that one was just, I called the school of fish. I load the fish, and then depending on if it's going up or down, I rotate the image to make it look like it's going up or down. And then I just, these are literally just the functions to make them move up and down. And went under the draw. If the self direction is down, it's moving down. If the self direction is up. And then I made 6 different fish to go, 2 of them up and down to kind of make it look like it was cycling through. But let's go ahead and jump into the actual code. And besides just going over it, and um, let's go ahead and make a new function for room 2 for our level 3, and then go from there. So we'll go if self.room is equal to 1, because it starts at 0, so our 1 would technically be 2. I want to, well, first we're going to pass because we need to go to our walls, and we need to make a few more walls. Where is our walls? Right here. So walls, and we're still going to use rock 1, so I guess that's right. Down here is where we need to add it. So level 3. Now we'll go ahead and go, whoops, yeah, level 3B. I guess we can just load it all under level 3. It doesn't matter. There it is. So we'll just keep going with level 3 rock 5. And then this one was going to be in the room 1. And that was going to be, that one was blocking right before we switched the rooms. So the walls, and then the width is probably going to want to be, where's the farthest width? 7.5. And then we're going to want to, how wide is it? The width of the rock, 32. Okay, so width, oops, I want to make this an int. And then the width divided by, times 0.75. And then we're going to want to add 32, because that's the size of the rock. And then for our y, we want to go ahead and put, let's see, I don't know. Let's go height at 0.6. And then we kind of want it long. So if it's at like 75%, I don't know, we'll just say 200 by 32. I think we messed something up here. It's going to go like that. That should be okay. And then what do we need? We need the ident. We need rock 1. So too many. So there's that. That's closed. Okay, let's go ahead and throw that into our wall list right here. And we're going to say the walls Level 3 rock 5. Oops. Why is this not? Well, I'm sorry. What is going on? This is right here is the problem, I think. There we go. Okay, now let's just go ahead and I'm gonna go over here to our trying, and just boot up our level 3 so we don't have to get all the way there and play all the other levels again. Um, Kind of close. I guess those are 64. Okay, let's make that 64, and I think that's pretty good. So plus 64. Try this one more time, and then we will start working on our... Okay, 96 it is. And then we'll start working on the other rocks. I think that might work. As long as we can't clip out and over there, but that's... I don't know. Let's go ahead and find out. I'm going to block it off like that. And then we will put the key... Uh-oh. Oh. Then we're going to put the key up there and then have our... have us be able to loop around the screen. Ooh, all right, yep, that'll work. So we'll just come around and then we'll go like that to get it. But maybe, well, like I said, I kind of want to put a wall here to have them come up and around, or something like that. But I'm probably just going to do that off screen and just show you the end results, because that's probably going to be a lot of positioning and everything like that. And then we will recreate level 4 together now that it will be nice and quick. But another kind of big thing, I did kind of figure out how to get this onto a GitHub. So if you have a GitHub, you can look up Skinny Gilmore at 1029. And if you have Visual Studio Code or some kind of code editor, you can go ahead and copy and paste this code, and then you can play with it or follow along and try this out for yourself. But once again, that's GitHub at Skinny Gilmore 1029. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.